In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Google Drive on your mobile device. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and find the Google Drive app. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're on the app, look for the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to the settings for your Google Drive account. Now look for the option that says Manage Accounts or Accounts. Tap on it to see all the accounts linked to your Google Drive. Or simply tap on the right side and click on Manage Accounts on this device. And here you can remove the remove the account from the device. A confirmation message will pop up. Confirm that you want to remove or log out. Simply click on OK after that, and that's it. You've successfully logged out of Google Drive on your mobile device.